We love Kate Middleton. Oh, we love Catherine, Princess of Wales. So there's no disrespect on this channel. We love her. Right, let's get to it. Kate Middleton, or Catherine, Princess of Wales. I have so many comments on this when I post pictures and things on Kate Middleton or Catherine, Princess of Wales. So I am going to talk about it with my friend here, who will remain anonymous. So Kate Middleton, she's been given a new title, maybe not that recently, but quite recently. She's now known as Catherine, Princess of Wales, but people still refer to her as Kate Middleton, which is her original known name.
Yes, I also post content on the royal family, and in my comment section I've noticed if I have put Kate Middleton in the title, and I'll get comments in my comment section saying, how can you call her Kate Middleton? That's disrespectful. And I'm thinking to myself, how is it disrespectful to call someone by their name? They said don't call her Kate Middleton, call her Catherine, Princess of Wales, or call her Princess Catherine. My response is, it's not disrespectful to call someone by their name. And if you go to her birth certificate, you will see her birth certificate will say Catherine Elizabeth Middleton. So if I'm calling her Catherine Middleton or I'm calling her Kate Middleton, there's no disrespect there. It's just, it's actually her name. It's on her birth certificate. And if I call her Princess of Wales or Catherine, Princess of Wales, I don't think that it gives her that more respect or less respect. It's just a title and it's a name. At the end of the day, everyone is a human being, and it's not disrespectful to call someone by their name. And on my shorts videos that I do post with the royal family, the algorithm is looking for Kate Middleton, so that's why you might see Kate Middleton in my titles. I would refer to her as Kate Middleton, Catherine Middleton, Catherine, Princess of Wales, or Princess Catherine, because that is what the people are searching for, and that's what comes up in the search engine.
Yeah, I think it's confusing because what happened is that Kate actually used to go by the name Catherine, but when she was joining the royal family, King Charles said, oh, there's too many C's. There's Charles, there's Camilla, and then Catherine would be another C. So he didn't want Catherine to be known by Catherine. He wanted her to use Kate, yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
And he wanted her to use Kate with a K, not a C. So she became Kate Middleton, and then obviously everyone knows Catherine as Kate Middleton.
That's interesting.
Yeah, so when she now got her title as princess, I don't know why she decided to go back to Catherine rather than stick to Kate, because Princess Kate would have been more, you know, people would still identify her as Princess Kate. It would have been an easier transition, I think, is what I'm trying to say. But to change your name it's not a change of name, it's just the short version. Changing from the short version to the long version and adding the princess and dropping the Middleton, it's a bit too much. Like he was saying, the algorithm won't know who you're talking about. Some people don't know that Kate Middleton has now got a new title as Catherine, Princess of Wales, and you can explain, like the thing you were saying, that you can't actually call her Princess Catherine. You call her Catherine, Princess of Wales. Why is that? Or what's the difference there?
Oh, okay. I don't know fact, but people have said that she is not a princess by birth, so therefore call her Catherine, Princess of Wales, and a princess by birth would be called princess and then their name behind it. So for example, we have Princess Eugenie and we have Princess Beatrice, because they are born into the royalty with the title, because their father comes the
Right.
royal bloodline comes from the father. So they are saying that Catherine was not born princess. She becomes a princess by marriage. Therefore, she should be called Catherine, Princess of Wales, rather than Princess Catherine.
Right.
Hope that makes sense.
So there you go. It's not that simple. We can't just refer to Kate Middleton as Catherine, Princess of Wales, or Princess Catherine, because people don't know who that is, and neither does the YouTube algorithm, I'm afraid. So you're just gonna have to bite your lip and get used to it, or get used to it and don't bite your lip.
Or just accept all variations of the names.
Oh, yeah.
Simple as that.
Yeah, and we're not being disrespectful, as my guest was saying. There's no disrespect intended. Yes, you might have some prestige, I think, with calling yourself a princess, but everyone knows that she's a princess, and she gets that prestige and respect from people. So we love Kate Middleton. Oh, we love Catherine, Princess of Wales. So there's no disrespect on this channel. We love her. We love you guys. Thanks so much for watching and listening to the end. Like, share, subscribe.